Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. In today's video, we are going to solve one IGCSE past paper question of extended mathematics. The paper that I have selected over here is May-June 2022 variant 41. And from this paper, the question that we are going to solve in this video is question number 3C. In this video, the first part of the question, they have given us a simultaneous equation to solve. And similar to that, a connected question is given wherein a simultaneous equation is given, but that is with some trigonometry equations. So let's see in this video how are we going to solve these both the parts of this question. First, let us begin with the simultaneous equations and we will solve this equation by elimination method. To solve this simultaneous equation, the first equation here says 3p plus q is equal to 2. P minus Q is equal to minus 1 upon 2. We need to eliminate one of the variables over here. The variable that we will be eliminating is Q, because Q over here is having opposite sign. So if I will add this equation to, variable Q will get eliminated. So my first step is add equations. When I add that, 2P plus Q plus P minus Q is equal to 2 and minus half. I'm going to add both these equations. When I add, these two variables got eliminated and what I obtained over here is 3P is equal to 2 minus half. It comes out to be 3 upon 2. Therefore, P over here, I will write it as 1.5 divided by 3. How did I get 1.5? 3 upon 2 is in fraction. If I convert that to decimal, 3 upon 2 is 1.5. And P answer is 1.5 divided by 3 because these 3 shifted to the other side, which is equal to 1 upon 2 or 0.5, that is half. So answer for P is half. I have to substitute this answer in one of the two equations to obtain answer for Q. So if I will take first equation, 2P plus Q is equal to 2. So 2 times 1 upon 2 plus Q is equal to 2. If I simplify this, I get it as 1. So 1 plus Q is equal to 2. Therefore, Q is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, Q is equal to 1 is my solution for the simultaneous equation. So, P is equal to 1 upon 2 and Q is equal to 1. These are the two answers that I obtained as solution of this particular simultaneous equation. Pause this video here and make sure that you note this working in your book, because we will be using these values to solve the connecting question to this. Coming back to the second question over here, which involves a trigonometric equation which has 2 sine u plus cos v is equal to 2 and sine u minus cos v is equal to negative 1 upon 2. If you will closely observe question number 1 and 2, you will see that sine u is nothing but P is replaced with sine u and Q is replaced with cos v. We have already obtained answer for P and Q. Therefore, I will straight away write this here as sine u is equal to P, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, if I have to work out value of u, what I have to do is u is equal to sine inverse of 1 upon 2. The value that we obtain for u over here is 30 degrees. That is my first answer for u. To obtain second value of u, what I have to do is I have to simply use the formula 180 degrees minus theta, which is 180 degrees minus 30. That is equal to 150 degrees. This is my second answer for u, that u is equal to 150 degrees. Now the next thing that I'm going to use is I'm going to use this value of q to obtain v. By substituting, I can write it as cos V is equal to 1. Therefore, V is equal to cos inverse of 1. If I will use the calculator to solve this, I'm going to get my answer as, on using calculator for cos inverse 1, my answer comes as V is equal to 0. This is my first value for V. If I will substitute this value for V in the formula 360 degrees minus theta, I'm going to obtain my second value as 360 minus 0, which is equal to 360 degrees. So this is my second solution for V. So we have solved our simultaneous equation here. The two solutions are, for U, we have obtained two values, 30 degrees and 150 degrees. And for V, we have obtained two values, that is 0 degrees and 360 degrees. This is how these two connected questions we have solved simultaneously. I hope this video helped you to understand the explanation for the solution of these two questions. If you have any further doubt, or if you want me to solve any further questions in any of the past papers of IGCSE, please write that in the comment section of this video, so that next time when I meet you, I make a video on the questions that you have asked me as a query. If you have liked my explanation and if you have liked my method of explaining, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new on my channel, not to forget to subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned on my channel. Next time I will see you with another question. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.